Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to withdraw money from your Green Dot account without using a card. Stay tuned until the end to learn the full process and additional tips. To pick up cash from a Walmart, start by opening the Green Dot app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Alternatively, you can log in through the Green Dot website. The link is provided in the video description. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section and click on Manage Card. Next, select Report Card Lost or Stolen and provide all the necessary information. Green Dot will then deactivate your current card and send you a new one. In the meantime, you can choose how to access your funds without the card. On your screen, tap Get Cash and then select a nearby Walmart. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and follow the on-screen instructions to generate a one-time barcode. Visit an eligible Walmart store and present this barcode at the customer service desk. To verify your identity, you will need to provide your government-issued ID. Once verified, the customer service agent will give you the cash. Please note that this process incurs a $3 fee. And that's how you can get money off your Green Dot account without a card. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.